Hello friends, after completing Element 1 of NEBOSH International General Certificate in Occupational Safety and Health, IGC 1, I am going to start Element 2. In this element, we have to study how health and safety management systems work and what they look like. Learning objectives of this element are as follows. Learning objectives. Give an overview of the elements of an occupational health and safety management system and the benefits of having formal certified system. Discuss the main ingredients of OHSMS that make it effective: policy, responsibilities, arrangements. Let's start. 2.1 Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. Introduction to Occupational Health and Safety Management Systems. First, we have to know the PDCA cycle. Its meaning are as follows. Plan what you're going to do. Do it. Check that what you're doing is working. Act if what you're doing could be improved. Let's look at ILO Safety Management System diagram. Let's look in detail. Policy. A clear statement of commitment to health and safety. Organizing. Roles and responsibilities for health and safety at all levels in the organization. Planning and implementing detailed arrangements to manage health and safety. Risk assessments. Evaluation. Methods to monitor and review the effectiveness of the arrangements. Audit. Independent, critical, and systematic review of the management system. Action for improvement. Steps to correct issues found in the review. Continuous improvement. The safety management system will develop over time. ISO 45001, the Occupational Health and Safety Management System Standard. The elements are as follows. End of Module 2.1 Exercise. What are the key elements of the ILO OSH Health and Safety Management System?